You've spent time crafting your marketing strategy. You've defined your dream clients, logged in your messaging, and know exactly why your business exists. But now you are sitting there thinking, okay, so what do I actually do next? What do you post? When do you promote that offer? And where do you even start? This is where the marketing plan comes in. And trust me, this is the part that turns ideas into income, vision into visibility, and strategy into a real momentum. Welcome to episode 3 of our 3-part series of marketing for small business owners. Today is where everything clicks together. What is a marketing plan and why it matters? Let's start with the simple truth. Having a marketing strategy without a plan is like owning a gym membership but never actually going to the gym. A marketing plan is where the magic happens. It's your detailed, practical guide that outlines what you are doing, when you are doing it, where you are doing it, and how you'll know it's working. It's how you stay focused week to week without second-guessing yourself. No more waking up and wondering what to post, what campaign to run, or how to fill your funnel. This plan becomes your marketing GPS, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build one that works for your business. Why you need a marketing plan. Because without a plan, it's easy to fall into the busy but not really effective trap. You know the one. Where you're creating tons of content, hustling hard, doing all the things, but the results, inconsistent, hard to track, sometimes not existent. Here is the truth, the best marketing doesn't happen by accident. It's mapped out, tested and tweaked. And when you have a plan, you stay consistent, you save time, you stop guessing and start growing. How to build your marketing plan. Let's dive into the exact steps to build a marketing plan that takes your business from scattered to strategic. Step 1. Start with a marketing summary. This is a quick overview, kind of like a headline of your plan. In a few sentences, answer: what's the focus for the next 90 days? What offers are you promoting? And what's your main marketing goal? You don't need to overthink it. Just give yourself and your team, if you have one, a simple, clear North Star for the plan. Step 2. Set clear marketing goals. If your plan doesn't have goals, it's just a to-do list. And to-do lists don't build businesses. Your goals should be smart. Specific: what exactly do you want? Measurable: can you track it with numbers? Achievable: is it realistic for where you are? Relevant: does it align with your business growth? And time-bound: when do you want it done by? Here is an example for you. Book 10 strategy calls by June 1st is way more powerful than get more clients. Step 3. Define your audience. Again. Yeah, I know you are bored of hearing this, but it's very important. Yes, you did this in your strategy, but here is where you tailor it to this plan. If you are launching a new product, maybe you are targeting a more specific subset of your audience. Or if you are running a lead gen campaign, you may be focusing on cold traffic. Clarify who you are speaking to for this campaign, because that affects the message, the offer, and the platform. Step 4. Competitive research. Do a quick scan of what's happening in your industry right now. Look at what your competitors are doing, specifically during the same time frame you are planning for. Ask: what's trending? What launches or promos are out there? What can I do differently? This isn't a copy, it's to find the gaps and stand out. Step 5. Pick your platform. Choose 2-3 marketing channels that make the most sense right now for your campaign. You do not need to be on every platform. Repeat after me: you do not need to be on every platform. Pick based on where your audience is most engaged and where you can show up consistently. Instagram, email marketing, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest. It's about quality over quantity. However, I highly recommend to have email marketing. Step 6. Build your content plan and calendar. This is where it gets juicy. Now you plan your actual content. Start by plotting out any important dates: product launches, sales, campaigns, holidays or seasonal moments, then build your weekly or monthly content around those. Think about this. What stories do I need to tell? What pain points am I addressing? What posts are leading to my offers? Use batching, scheduling tools and content pillars to stay consistent without burning out. Step 7. Define your budget. Whether you are spending $100 or $10,000, your plan should include a budget. Ad spend, software tools, freelancer or team support, photography, design, etc. Knowing your numbers upfront helps you avoid surprise expenses and focus on what moves the needle. Step 8. Lead gen and conversion strategy. Don't just create awareness, have a plan to capture and convert leads. Include in your plan your lead magnet, freebie, quiz, guide, where leads will go, email list, DMs, calls, how you'll nurture them, email sequences, follow-ups, your offer, how you will pitch it. This is where sales happen. Make sure you are not just showing up but actually selling. Metrics to track. A plan without tracking is like flying blind. Decide what numbers matters most to you. Website traffic, Instagram reach, email open rates, click-through rates, sales conversion, cost per lead. Tracking gives you data and data gives you power. Common pitfalls to avoid. Here is where most people get stuck. Trying to do too much at once. Changing directions every single week. Posting content with no goal behind it. Failing to measure what's working and what's not. Remember, your plan doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be clear and aligned with your strategy. Now you got everything you need to build a marketing plan that's not only easy to follow, but actually gets you result. A clear summary, smart goals, defined audience, prioritized platforms, content calendar, conversion strategy, budget, and metrics. And most importantly, confidence, because you know what to do and why it matters. And if you're feeling stuck or want to help pulling it all together into a streamlined plan that's customized to your business, grab a free strategy call using the link in the description below. If you've watched this entire 3-part series, thank you very much, and more importantly, congratulations. You are now way ahead of most business owners who are still winging it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in your inbox or your next launch. That's right. I want to know if you are launching anything. Please drop it in the comment below. You've got this.